Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is database system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is database system? A database system is a software system that manages and organizes data. It provides an interface for users and applications to store, retrieve, update, and manage data efficiently. A database system typically consists of number one, database. This is where the actual data is stored. It's organized in a structured manner so that it can be easily accessed and managed. Databases can range from a simple flat files to complex relational databases or NoSQL databases. Number two, database management systems or DBMS. This is the software that interacts with the database. It provides an interface for users to interact with the database, manages data storage and retrieval, enforces data integrity constraints, and ensures data security. Examples of DBMS include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle Database, MongoDB, etc. Number 3, database administrator DBA tools. These are tools used by database administrators to monitor, maintain, and optimize the performance of database system. They often include features for backup and recovery, performance tuning, user management, and security management. Number 4, query language. Most database systems use a specific language for querying and manipulating data. For relational databases, SQL structured query language is commonly used, while other types of database may use different query languages. Database systems are essential components of many software applications, ranging from small personal projects to large enterprise systems. They provide a structured and efficient way to manage and retrieve data, ensure data consistency, integrity, and security. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is database system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and then please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.